Hey, today I'll show you how to schedule an email on AOL Mail. So actually that's pretty simple and I'll show you how to do it. I will open the AOL Mail app and now for the sake of this tutorial I will compose a new email and I will send it to myself. Send this email to who you want. At subject you can place a subject, I don't know, subject, description, test, description. Alright, just compose this email as usual, and now before you press on send, in order to schedule an email on AOL Mail, what you have to do, press on these three dots right beside send in the top right corner, and now I'll press on schedule for later. Today is 21 June, I will press on the day, and let's send it on 30 June, okay, as an example. And now let's also modify the hour. I don't want to send it at 8 a.m. in the morning. Let's send it at 13, which basically is 1 p.m. Alright, and now I'll press on schedule message, and this email was scheduled for 30 June at 1 p.m. So this is how to schedule an email on AOL Mail. It's actually pretty easy. Thank you a lot for watching and have a great day.